Hi, Nicholas. It's Colin. Okay, so the simple answer, the fast answer is you open up your services page and just remove the section animations link here. Because what's happening with longer content, it gets harder for the script to determine where the end of the information actually is. Okay, it's not. I mean, this is just something I've come across on a couple of other sites where folks with a lot of content in one section, it sort of fades out a little bit on the early side. So a couple things you can do. You can either remove the style sheet altogether from the services page. You can go into it and you can change the opacity right here from 0.2 to, you can actually just make this 1 so it doesn't fade out at all, or you can brighten it up and make it like 0.7. So I'm just giving you a few options here that you can take a look at. The other thing is and this is where it gets really fiddly, is you can adjust the animation effect for it, but it's going to affect all pages. And it's in the site JavaScript animations.js file right here. If you go in here and you scroll down, you'll find showcase, and after that is section 1. And basically what happens with this script is it's adding a class of section 1 active. It's setting an offset. In other words, it's doing some math to say that when 80% of the page is scrolled, right, then do the fade out. But if the page is longer, 80% is more, and then it fades out at the wrong time. So you may have to do a bit of adjust this number and this number and this number right here, right? Make that like offset of 90, and this one increase that or decrease that, and find a combination that works. But that's going to affect all pages. Normally in this situation, and a couple of times I've run into this, I've just found a better result by going into the actual animations and changing this to about 0.8 or 0.7, so that way it fades out a little bit as you get close to the bottom, but not completely. Or the other option is just for this one page, just remove the animation, right? And then you don't have to worry about it whatsoever.